Aloha, my 2020 Corvette Z51 bumper holes are no more. I did the bodywork and then masked it off using a combination of hard lines and soft lines. I painted the very top section in torch red, then got rid of some of the soft lines and blended it with clear lacquer. Then I just needed to wet sand it with 800, then 1,000, and buff it out. Now it's back to being just like brand new. All my modifications are complete. I'll be doing a video on each of the different modifications I did shortly. Aloha and stay safe.